Today on Wrenching on Cars, we're going to change a air filter on a 2001 Honda CRV. Part number 7764. Should be a 5-10 minute job. You might struggle with it, that's fine. Easiest way is you push down on the air box, take the first clip off, push down on the second side, pull up. Like I say, a bit of a little struggle. Set it aside, and then your air filter will be extremely dirty. That's dirty, there's sand and stuff coming out of it, so that needs to be replaced. Put it aside. Again, we're using a Fram Extra Guard 7764. Slide it in, take your air box, and here's the tricky part of putting it in. You have to line up these two tabs with these two right here. So push it down, align the air induction tube, make sure all your lines are clear. Oh, see, you get a bit of a struggle now and then. It's a lot of fun. Push down again, tab goes up, and that's it. So thanks and subscribe.